Prototypes are a really important way to save yourself a lot of money in the future. We're always bringing those prototypes together, building them so that we have a hands-on feel for how they go together, how the assembly procedure is, or trying to get the most information out of that prototype build as we can. It helps to fine-tune our design as we move into production.
There are a few levels of prototyping that we go through. One is a bench model, which is intended to help verify functional concepts or intended product features. Then there are form models, which detail things like shape, size, and how users interact with the product. As we progress the design further, we leverage rapid prototyping techniques such as FDM, SLA, SLS, and machining to create parts that are more refined and can be used to check how they fit together and work in an assembly. Finally, we create visually accurate production intent prototypes. These prototypes are as indicative as possible of the final look, feel, function, materials, and intended production methods of the product. In most cases, you wouldn't even know you weren't holding the real thing.
When a design idea pushes the boundaries of typical manufacturing processes, it does require some iteration. We have to be able to find suppliers that can meet that demand and work with them. There's a huge collaboration effort that happens.
We've been working with our supplier network for 30 years for most of the suppliers. We do hundreds of prototypes every year with them and tune our processes with those suppliers to make sure that they work.
As you're working through a project, you need to make sure that you're on the right track and that the product is moving in the right direction.
What this team does is incredible. I talk at the front end and I get to know people and sort of what they want to do, but when you see the product come out the other end, it's pretty amazing.